June 2023. We have Tunnbindaregatan 43 here in Norrköping, Sweden. It was built in late 1988, finished in 1989 with 9 floors. So numbers 74 NE 41 1 1, and the capacity is 37,000 grams. It's turning 35 years old this year, 2023. I hope we can get all the statuses here.
Yeah.
They don't have different codes. These days, all this Europe in 2000 is a bit rare in Sweden.
Yeah.
It has become more rare.
Yeah.
Same right. It deserves it.
Yeah.
It's just nice that all those ones. They should have been somewhere here.
Is it by decorator, maintained by Otis, so now describe this.
I'll just sit down here. It's a chair. It takes a little while to close.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's